Here at the Gutter Boys, we are free to offer any gutter protection system on the market today. So why have we chosen Valor gutter guards? Let's start with the basics. The Valor material consists of a high-grade stainless steel micromesh screen, which is securely machine pressed into a strong, vertically louvered aluminum frame. This guard design can be installed on new or existing gutters. It is securely fastened with a zip screw into the front lip of the gutter and into the back with a screw into the fascia board. This installation method allows for us to set a consistent forward angle of approximately 12 degrees. It adds a box-like strength and will not interfere with the roofline or get tucked under the shingles. Of course, the primary concern with any gutter guard is to do with protection. Will the product actually keep out all the junk? The reality is that most systems on the market today will only keep some percentage of debris out, or only big mature leaves, allowing the smaller remaining debris to still enter and clog the gutter. In my experience, this is the most common reason that gutter guards fail. Valor Gutter Guard has a patented micromesh screen that keeps all debris out, even the small grit that is shed from roof shingles. Valor is so confident that nothing but rainwater is going to get into your gutter system, they furnish a lifetime transferable, no clog guarantee. The other primary concern with any gutter guard has to do with absorbency. Will the product actually let enough water through? This is the second most common cause of product failure. Some systems that perform moderately well at keeping debris out do so at the expense of not capturing all the rainwater, causing gutters to overflow in moderate to heavy rains. This is where Valor really shines. Valor has a wide open frame design with an optimally woven 440 micron mesh screen, which is embossed with a raised S-curve pattern. Combined, these unique design features allow it to handle 44 inches of rainfall per hour. So not only does Valor offer the ultimate protection by preventing even the finest debris from getting into your gutters, but it does this while consistently ranking as the industry's top water absorber. When it comes to competition, there's simply no product on the market today that can match Valor's ability to protect your gutters while allowing maximal water through. By the way, a bonus feature of Valor's patented raised mesh technology is that it provides for a self-shedding effect. This means that debris is less likely to sit on the top of the guards as compared to other products. Valor is also superior to other micromesh products when it comes to durability and longevity. In addition to the no-clog guarantee, Valor Gutter Guard also carries a transferable lifetime material warranty. Valor is made of a sturdy, non-corrosive aluminum that will not crack, warp, or degrade over time, as do other products made of vinyl, PVC, or silicone material. The fact that Valor is machine pressed together rather than glued or simply set in place during install is also an advantage over other systems. Valor is also securely fastened to the front lip of the gutter and to the fascia board in the back. This not only adds to the strength of your gutters, but it's also the best way to set a consistent forward angle to effectively shed debris. Most other products on the market are installed under the first layer of shingles, which does not allow for a consistent forward angle. Shoving the guard under the shingle also can jeopardize the integrity of your roof. Some products avoid going under the shingle by mounting only to the front of the gutter, but this raises obvious strength and longevity concerns. Lastly, many competitors' products have horizontal frame designs, which slow down water absorbency and trap moisture within the frame, which can inevitably lead to moss and algae growth, which can clog up the mesh. To prevent this, Valor has specifically oriented its louvers vertically. This design not only provides for exceptional strength and absorption, but it also allows the guard to breathe and dry out more easily after a rain. Over the years, we have seen every gutter guard product in action. None of them have been able to match the impressive array of design features had by Valor Gutter Guard. It is for this reason that we have chosen Valor to be the exclusive gutter protection system offered by the Gutter Boys.